Can I get your candidate ID, please? Thank you. Shall we start? Hello, this is the reality test of International English Language Testing System powered by IDP to assess the level of the candidate. My name is Kuneet Kaur and I am here to conduct the speaking of candidate number 111132 and the name of the candidate is Hemant. Okay, so what is your full name?
My full name is Hemant.
Okay, how may I call you?
You call me my first name Hemant.
Okay, where are you from?
I from to village Utara nearby Samrara.
Okay, what do you like about your area?
Mostly I like the neat and clean area and quiet place.
Okay, is there anything that you would like to change in your area?
No, in future I do not change in my area. There are almost all facilities available in our city.
Okay, which is the oldest place in your hometown?
Old
Which is the oldest place in your hometown?
in our village, the oldest place. Oldest place is the oldest place is library. There are many students to go for library in evening time and they read these all types of books.
Okay, tell me something about the transport facility in your area.
There are all types of transport available in our society. It is our time to available. So some people like the public transport.
Okay, do you live in a house or in a flat?
I live in a house. This house is very large. The all facilities in our home in our house.
Okay, now let's talk about birthdays. Do you like birthday?
Yes, I like birthday. Sometime last week, I celebrated with my friends and the full enjoy and cut the cake.
Okay, do you like to receive gifts or do you like to give gifts?
I like to receive gifts more in my birthday. My 20th birthday, my friends gave me to touch a watch. It is very beautiful and they are very important in our world.
Okay. What is the value of handmade gifts according to you?
There are
What is the importance of handmade gifts according to you?
the handmade gifts are very important role in our life. Mostly my friends to gift with me in hand. So some gifts are realized to me for my best friend.
Okay, so now let's talk about happiness. Do you consider yourself as a happy person?
I am a happy person. Every time I am happy. They do not sad in every time.
Okay, what usually makes you happy? What makes you happy?
I make happy.
What makes you happy?
I make happy. They feel good and my some friends to speak the jokes and realize the good
Okay.
and
So this is the end of part 1. Now it's time for your part 2, in which you will be given a cue card and you will have 1 minute to prepare for it, and then rest of the 2 minutes to speak on that topic.
okay.
So your topic is describe a work or sport you have done as a team. So here is your topic. You can use the pen and the
Describe a work
pencil.
or sport you have done as a team.
We start.
I am a sports. I am a student of senior secondary school from Samarada. I participate in many games in school time. The games are most important role in our life. I would like to talk about last week. Me and my friends to decide the outside. Go to the outside in next week. I want to morning time 5 o'clock. Me and my friends start the journey in outside. I go for Chandigarh. It is a neat and clean area. There are many people and tourist person. There are many people and tourist person visit in this. It is a good area. There are all types of games, study related and others available. So me and my friends go for Chandigarh. They participate in cricket game. It is very good. It is good for health.
Okay, so here I am going to stop you. This is the end of your part 2. Can I get the booklet back? Okay, now we will start your part 3, in which I will ask you some follow-up questions. Are team activities popular in your society? Are team activities popular in your society?
The team games are popular in our society. Mostly children like play the game in team.
Okay. What kind of qualities you can learn by taking part as a team?
There are many types.
What kind of qualities can you learn in a team?
There are many types of qualities in a team. The team student sports in every person.
Okay. Do you think team leaders are important in a team?
The team leaders are very important in a team. They decide the they decide the sports person. So the team
Team leaders.
team leader decides the games player. The leader to every sports person's qualities.
Okay. Why do companies practice team activities? Why do companies practice team activities?
Some companies
Why do companies do team work?
work. Mostly company do work at a team, so it is easily to complete the work and save the more time in this in every work.
Okay. Do you think that children should be encouraged to take part in a team?
According to me, children to encourage the participate in games with the team, and it is good and help the every person.
Okay. So this is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.
Thank you.